They're probably trying to get stuff out of their house next door.
Why is that person running up the street?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Those people are yelling about their house.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Look at that. They're trying to get things out.
The fire department better hurry up, or that house next to it's
And then the house is right next to that.
I guarantee the house next to it's got fire damage. Anybody know where the batteries are?
Oops.
Wow.
I know. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel so sorry for the people next door.
When's the last time you were there?
Jordan was just there today. We were told that Tammy and Alan were supposed to be in.
Well, Tom was over there.
Today?
No, he was.
He was, because he drove by and he was like, is that Zoe?
No, he was unloading wood, too.
Oh.
There wasn't no power over there either. His power got shut off.
Yeah, I didn't doubt that. And I know there's no water.
Oh, I feel so sorry for those people next door. Run for this kid. Oh my God, honey, look at that.
Where's Brittany?
Brooks, get it on.
I'm recording this.
Hey, you want to say house fire? Jordan's house is blowing up. Look at that.
Shit, bro.
Yeah. I've never seen a house fire before.
Did you call anybody?
Yeah, Dad did. Oh, I think we're going to look for the next door.
Oh my goodness, I can feel the heat from here. Shit, bro.
I don't know, but how long does it take to get a fire truck 1 block?
No shit, huh? Fire department's right there.
Here it is.
People next door.
Yeah, worry about the other house. Exactly.
Those people's
Exactly.
houses-
Get it in between.